Overnight. Sabrina is here. So what's in store? How's it looking?
Hi Claire, you're right. We have seen some really strong winds and also some really wet weather. So the weather has caused some disruption yesterday and also overnight. And I think through the rest of today, it's going to continue to be windy, if not very windy. Still the risk for some gale force winds, especially where you have some exposure. The wettest conditions have passed and things will improve further overnight. But in the meantime, all areas still under this wind warning. That's until 6 p.m. this evening. So I think inland areas, typically those gusts 45 to 55 miles per hour, and then close to the coast and for some of the hills, we could see those gusts closer to around 60 miles per hour. So out there this afternoon then, we are seeing some prolonged showers in parts of the north, more in the way of scattered showers further south. We're seeing some sunny spells and areas of cloud, but those winds really quite noticeable out there. So coming in from the west or southwest, and gale force winds expected, especially where we have some exposure. Daytime highs 14 to 17 Celsius. As for this evening then, there's going to be some scattered showers around. The showers a bit more prolonged in parts of North Wales, where we've also got some thickest cloud. Breezy initially, but I think those winds gradually easing down somewhat overnight, with lows in double digits, so around 10 to 13 Celsius. So our Tuesday forecast then, it will be an improving picture, still though a tale of two halves. So through daylight hours, it's a case of sunny spells and scattered showers. I think there will be quite a noticeable breeze, but those wind gusts not as high as what we're experiencing out there at the moment. And daytime highs a touch higher, up to about 15 to 17 Celsius. Cloud will thicken through the day, and then you can see our next weather front waiting in the wing. So we can look at that on the pressure chart. So we've got a warm front, cold front, this warm sector pushing through. This will bring more in the way of prolonged rain. So I think with this, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, there will be the chance for some localised flooding, because we do have some heavy pulses of rain on that. And generally through the outlook, it does look to be pretty unsettled. There's going to be a waving weather front with us. So for some places, that does mean more wet weather. That's your latest, Claire.
Sabrina, thank you very much.